Some Zanu PF youths shocked over Mugabe's ouster 3 months ago. Harare, some Zanu PF youths in rural Zimbabwe were reportedly shocked to hear that ex-President Robert Mugabe was no longer the ruling party's leader, 3 months after the nonagenarian's ouster. Mugabe stepped down from power following a military intervention targeting criminals around him in November. But 3 months after his ouster, some Zanu PF youth in rural Mashonaland province were shocked to learn that the former president had been deposed, according to a newzimbabwe.com report. Mashonaland chairperson, Mike Madiro revealed this while addressing a Zanu PF Extraordinary Provincial Committee in Mutare recently. We had a meeting in Chipinga district, and in some areas such as Mahenai our cadres did not even know that ex-President Mugabe was no longer in office. They were shocked to hear the news that President Mugabe is no longer in power. Close to 600 youths were also shocked that the party has rebranded cars, Madiro was quoted as saying.